Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to send a view once photo on Instagram. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. Before moving any further, make sure to tap on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to select all to ensure you get notifications for all our latest uploaded videos. Let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app and go to your messages. Select the person you want to send the photo to, then tap the camera icon in the bottom left corner of the chat. You can either take a photo directly or select one from your gallery. For this example, I'll take a new picture. Once the photo is ready, look at the left side of the screen and tap on the options. Keep tapping until View Once is selected. Finally, hit Send, and that's it. Your photo will disappear after being viewed once. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more quick Instagram tips.